Morning, and today we will start Kirchhoff's laws. Okay, so what are the Kirchhoff's laws and their application that we are going to see today? Kirchhoff's laws. Okay, so first thing is junction law or current law. There are two laws. So that out of that two, first one is junction law or point law. Junction law. So algebraic sum of currents meeting at a junction is equal to 0. Okay, so that is summation of I is equal to 0. One example we will see. Listen carefully. Now let us assume that this is a junction and its name is P, and there are some currents which are coming towards the junction and some currents are leaving the junction. So this is I1, this is I2, okay, this is I3, this is I4, and one more I am taking. Let us suppose this is I5. Okay, which current this is? I5. This is also going. So at junction P, sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Now what current is coming towards the junction? I1 and I2. So yeah, na? So therefore I1 plus I2 which should be equal to I3 plus I4 plus I5. Yes or no? Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
what
sir.
I am doing? I1 plus I2, and this is plus, and this is minus I3. Can I write like this? Yes, no, I can write no like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
equal to 0, and therefore summation of I is equal to 0 at this junction. Okay, very easy. So if you have space here, you can write that is sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Okay. Yes, sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. And below one example also we have seen, that is at junction P, sum of incoming current is I1 plus I2, and sum of outgoing current is I3 plus I4 plus I5. Just equate these two, you will get. Why I wrote plus and minus? Because I want to write the summation. So addition of this negative, nothing but addition only, yes or not? So this is addition only, so that I can add this summation. Okay. If I will keep minus, means minus, and plus means what? This is also summation of minus sign. Yes, sum of negative numbers we can say.
Yes.
That's why I want to write in this form. That's why I have written there like that. Okay. Okay, Gayatri.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Why did you write I5 on RHS, not LHS? Because this is outgoing current. Because here I have written sum of outgoing currents at this side. That's why I have added all these currents this side, and these two currents at this side, because these two are incoming currents. Not an issue. All these three you can write left hand side, and this also you can write right hand side. Not an issue. You know this. X is equal to Y, then Y is also equal to X. Yes or no? So you can write. Okay. But I5 is on the junction. No, I5 is not on the junction. See here, this is P, and this current is going. This is also going. This is also going from this junction. See here, not on the junction. Okay. From this junction, these all are leaving. These two are only coming. Okay. ठीक है. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
sir.
तो आप इतना याद रखो, इनकमिंग करंट इज इक्वल टू आउटगोइंग करंट. जैसे कि अगर हम देखेंगे, एक एग्जांपल लेंगे, एक बस डेपो है, जितने पैसेंजर आएंगे उतने पैसेंजर जाएंगे, है ना? Sum of incoming passengers should be equal to sum of outgoing
sir.
passengers.
Yes, sir.
Same like that only. Okay. We will solve some problems, then you will understand more. Don't worry. This copied everyone.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy it fast. Okay. Finished?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Last. Condition.
Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, some examples I am solving. Let's see how to solve very, very easy examples. अब देखो इस डायग्राम में हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, फाइंड x and y. First I will solve, next you do. Find x and y. And let us suppose these two junctions are junction P and Q. Listen first. Next problem you have to do. Don't need to do now. Nobody will do. Okay, okay. Right. So just listen. వినండి తర్వాత చేయండి. ఓకే, రైట్. Now using junction law, at junction P, sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing current. First, you should consider only this junction P. Now, how many currents are coming towards the junction? See, 4, 3, and x. Therefore, 4 plus 3 plus x. These are the coming towards the junction. Listen carefully. 1, 2, and 3. Which current is leaving the junction? This 11 and this 2 should be equal to 11 plus 2. This is what? 7 plus x should be equal to 11 plus 2, 13. And therefore, x is equal to 13 minus, wait. 13 minus 7. है ना? So how much you are getting x value? Bolo.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to,
6, sir.
6, sir.
yes, 6 ampere. Okay, x we got. Right. Very easy, sir. Right. Okay. Now x value we are having, but at junction Q we don't want this x value. So let's go to the another junction, that is at junction Q. Simply I am writing now, at junction Q, sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Now listen, which current is coming? Only one current is coming towards this Q, that is what? 11. So 11 should be equal to 3 plus y. Sahi hai na? Yes. And therefore 11
Yes, sir.
minus
Yes,
3
sir.
is equal to y, and y is equal to how much? 8 ampere.
8
Understand?
ampere.
8
And
ampere.
therefore
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
x is equal to 6 ampere and
6 ampere.
y is equal to
6
8
ampere.
ampere.
8
Understand?
ampere.
8 ampere.
Yes.
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
sir.
So just to see the junction and arrows. Don't forget, if you will see the wrong arrow there, or you will add here and there, you will get wrong answer. Understood clearly? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay, note down this so that you can do next problem. Let's go for next.
Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next example. Yes. Find X and Y. This is junction P, this is junction Q. Can you do it yourself?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Yes. Yes, anyone who got answer? X is equal to 8, Y is equal to 3. X is equal to 8, Y is equal to 3. Yes. Yes, Rineed, Harshvardhan, Rishabh. Okay, right. Anyone else? Anirudh, yes. Nisha, yes. Siri also right. Yes. Anyone else? Shravani, yes. Kirti, okay. Yes, Karthik, right. Yes, yes. So see, still if some of you have doubt, I am solving one more problem. So you can see at junction P, simply what currents are coming and what currents are going, that you have to see. So at this junction P, incoming current, sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Those still who have doubt, watch once, no problem. Next you can solve. The sum of incoming current at junction P, what currents are coming, you see. This 2 is coming towards the junction, so 2 plus this 4, है ना? 2 plus 4 is incoming and outgoing is 3 plus Y. Okay, so this is 6 is equal to 3 plus Y, and therefore Y is equal to 6 minus 3, that is Y is equal to 3 ampere. Okay, right. This is Y is equal to 3 ampere. Finished. Next one you see, at this junction Q, at junction Q, again sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. ओके, तो फिर से आप देखो कौन सा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. Only one current is incoming, that is X, and outgoing are 2, that is 4 plus 4. तो कितना होगा? x is equal to 8 ampere. So 8 ampere should come, then only 4 and 4 can go. Understood now? Those who are still having doubt, clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Shall we proceed? Noted everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
right. So अब देखो थोड़ा सा 3 वाला देता हूं. Next example of this first law. धीरे से करो, कोई गड़बड़ नहीं है. आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. फाइंड x, y, z or and z. X, y and z.
Sir, x equal to 1 by 2.
Yes, wait. I will check. First you do it. You can send me in chat. All answers you tell me once only. Charanjit got 0.5, 3.5 and 12.5. अनिरुद्ध को 1/2, 3/2. ओके, जेड का हल एक ही बार भेजो. वन टाइम ओनली सेंड ऑल 3. ठीक से करो. वन बाय टू, 7/2 and 23/3. Shashank and Harshavardhan, same answers. Aniruddha also 23/3. Okay, X 7/2. Oh, okay. Rishabh also, Nisha also. Charanjit ko 7.34. Okay, that is 23/3. Okay, 23/3, 1/2, 7/2. 7.6, 3.5. Okay, right. Okay, Advita and Shravani, right. तो यहाँ पे देखो, एक बार आपके चेक करो, क्रॉस चेक करो आपका आंसर. जस्ट क्रॉस चेक योर आंसर. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग हियर. Yes, see, let us suppose this is junction P, this is Q, and this is R. Just cross check your answer. I am not checking now everyone's. You just check yourself. Whatever you got. Now at junction P, now I am not writing much things. Now you understood. At junction P, so incoming current is equal to what? 2. 2 is equal to all are outgoing. So x plus x plus x plus x. So you are getting 2 is equal to 4x, and therefore x is equal to 4/2 or 2/4. 2/4 है ना, ये आ जाएगा 2/4. तो यहाँ पे 2/4 ये हो जाएगा 1/2. So x is equal to 1/2, or you can write x is equal to 0.5 ampere. Okay, this is what your first answer. X is equal to 0.5. Next one, at junction Q, already you got this 1/2, or this is 0.5. 0.5 ampere you got value x. So at junction Q, at Q, incoming is what? Two currents, 0.5 plus y, and leaving are 3 plus 1. So therefore 0.5 plus y is equal to 4 minus 0.9, 4 only, because I want to do one more step, right? I have to do one more step. Okay, right. So y is equal to कितना आएगा, बोलो 4 minus 0.5. सही है. तो y is equal to
Yes,
कितना?
sir.
3.5 ampere. That is 7/2 also. Or those who got 7/2 also write only. Okay, this is what? 3/2 or 7/2 or 3.5. Next one, at junction R, you can see incoming is what here? Only one current is incoming, that is 20, and 20 is equal to Z plus Z plus Z. All are leaving. है ना? 20 only. No.
Sir,
20
3 is
plus
also
3. Yes. 20 plus 3 is also coming here. You can see this 3 is also coming. So this is 23 is equal to 3Z. And therefore Z is equal to what? 23/3, which is equal to how much? 7 point. Bolo.
7.84.
7.66. So Z is equal to 7.67 also, we can say, rounding off, ampere, है ना? Yes. Understood?
Yes,
This is
sir.
what Z value. This 3 is
Yes,
also
sir.
coming. Understand? Everyone got like this? Check it yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So let's move ahead. Now 1, 2 problems or 3. How many problems shall I give you? 2 problems enough?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3,
3, sir.
3, sir.
Okay. Let's take 3 problems. You just do it as a homework, okay? So that tomorrow we can start second law. So try to understand properly this all. Question number 1. Number one question is this. Next, second one.
Sir, again Z only you gave, sir, last one.
Sir.
Yes, yes, what?
Last one, sir, Z only again you gave, sir.
Okay, okay. This Z, okay. Let's keep it as a Y, okay? 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We will keep it here Y. Huh? Yes. Okay. Now okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Right. Good. Now, this is what the second problem. This is second one. And
Sir, why, sir, for why we will get negative? For why I am getting negative, sir, answer.
which Y?
Why?
Which Y you are
First
getting?
problem, sir, why?
First problem, why
First
you are
problem.
getting negative answer?
Yes, sir, negative.
Okay. So if you are getting
X is
negative
5,
means
sir.
negative, if you are getting means you have to change the direction. Okay. You keep as it is.
Okay,
Y
sir.
value you keep negative. Negative it means what? This current should come out. Understand? Okay, do it first.
Okay, sir.
Negative value as it is you keep, no problem. Negative means it indicates direction is reverse. Okay. Not an issue.
Yes,
Just
sir.
keep as it is. Negative also can come, but we have to reverse the actual direction. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have to find X, Y, and Z. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One minute.
Yes.
Sir, near X, that is 3 ampere or 9 ampere, sir.
Which one? In which
Understand.
problem? In which problem?
One only, sir, first one.
First one is 3 ampere here. Here. This is 3.
Yes, sir. Which one, sir? That one, sir. 3
This
ampere.
one is
Okay,
3,
sir.
3, 3.
Yes.
Not 9. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? 5, 1, 3, 2, 2. Here 6, 3, 3, 4. Here 4, 4, 2. Okay. Do it fast. Finished. Copied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
So let's stop here for today. Solve and send it on the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Bye. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
sir.
Thank you, sir.